After an incredible month in Florida, we say goodbye to the Sunshine State as we cross over into Georgia. We're once again reminded why a truck camper is the perfect adventure vehicle as we find street parking so we can explore Savannah. Join us as we tour the city, fall in love with the amazing trees, and have a peaceful evening at camp. Welcome to Living Large Camping.
Last time you guys saw us, we are exploring St. Augustine. Now we are outside of Savannah, Georgia.
We're gonna go explore Savannah today, and then we have one night at Skidaway Island State Park outside of Savannah. So we're gonna go check out the town and just have a great day here at camp. Here to the channel, we live full-time in this 2004 Lance 815. We just spent the past month exploring Florida and all the state parks there that we could, but we have headed north towards Georgia because we are ready for some cooler weather. We're excited to go explore Savannah. We've heard a ton of great things, so come along as we go check it out.
So we have officially made it into Savannah. We are trying to find parking right now. It's been a little bit difficult because it's kind of only street parking or parking garages, which we do not fit in. We're gonna keep circling and fingers crossed we find something. This is kind of a crazy spot, but again, another pro of a truck camper.
So there is a ton of street parking here, but it's pretty expensive down by the river. We managed to snag this spot for only $1 an hour, which is very reasonable. So we're gonna go explore. Amelia found a nice little guide to Savannah, so I think we're gonna follow that and just see what we can see.
Yeah, online I found a little guide that shows you can explore Savannah in 10,000 steps, which is pretty manageable. So I think we're gonna do that today and take you guys along.
A long time since I've been to a town that has so many historical tours. Every time we pass the street, there's a new group and a new tour going on. So it's probably pretty cool. I'm sure they're learning a lot of interesting stuff.
As you can see right here, there's a tour. Just start the 10,000 steps guide to Savannah, and we keep passing these beautiful parks, and I just am obsessed with the trees. They are as pretty as you can imagine. Gorgeous.
Alright, so we made it here to Forsyth Park. They say it was 10 acres when it was originally formed, but it definitely seems like more. It is a beautiful area over here. There's nice grassy areas for people to come and hang out. I'm sure they do events here and everything, but it's been an awesome town so far. It's
almost better than you would expect, and that's probably one of our favorite things when we visit a town like that. And I think now we're gonna go ahead and check out the Riverside. We are at Chippewa Park. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but that is where Forrest Gump's famous bench is. So we're gonna go check that out along with all of the other tours. They removed the bench and they put it in a museum, which makes sense. Definitely looks different than what it looked like in the movie, but beautiful either way, and we can say we're where the movie was shot.
Well, we're already right by the camper, so I think we're gonna go back, make a quick lunch, and then we'll go look at the Riverside of Savannah. One of the great things about having our home with us is we also have our kitchen and our fridge.
which is served. We're gonna eat this really quickly and then we're gonna go explore the river.
That's exactly what we needed. We are both nice and full. Now it's time to go opposite way of where we have been and see what else Savannah has to offer.
Oh boy. Those are wild.
Hey. Wanna go back to the camper? All right, spot 17 for one night.
Woo!
All right guys, we made it to our spot for the night. It was a easy 25-minute drive from the city over here, but this is gonna be very peaceful. I'm excited to relax a little bit.
We're just gonna enjoy this spot and have a cocktail.
Yeah, let's get camp all set up. We'll get our chairs pulled out and just relax.
Sounds great. Well, thanks.
Cheers. We get a treat, and Barkley gets a treat. Sit. So sorry. This tastes really good.
We were tired from walking around Savannah, so this is very nice, relaxing afternoon.
Been moving around quite a bit the last few days, so it's gonna be nice to stay here. We check out tomorrow, but we're probably gonna stay until we have to leave, so just gonna enjoy it. It's time to go and walk part of the campground. We are pretty exhausted, so we're not gonna do all of the loops here. We'll do those in the morning, but we're gonna go walk a little bit, see some of the campers, and then we're gonna come back and cook some dinner.
Woo! We're making tacos!
Sounds delicious. That was a nice little walk, and I'm excited to see the rest of the campers tomorrow. But for now, we picked up some pre-marinated chili lime and cilantro chicken. So we're gonna get the induction top set up out here and get that cooked outside.
incredible.
I think we accidentally outdid ourselves here. This dinner turned out amazing. I know it was gonna be good, but it is starting to come together really nice. So we're gonna get these tacos made and dive right in. If you live in a space as small as ours, buying pre-marinated meat is honestly the best way to go. You pay a little bit more up front, but you don't have to carry around a bunch of spices and sauces and marinades, and it's usually a unique flavor that we haven't had in a while. These are fantastic. We're gonna finish our tacos now. We'll pick you guys back up after dinner.
Now that we're finished, we're gonna clean up the dishes and then give them a better scrub inside, see where the night takes us.
I don't think the night's taking us anywhere.
It's taking us to bed.
We ended up walking about 7 miles through Savannah today, so we are ready for some time to relax and recover.
We're just gonna call it a night and watch some trash TV, and then we will see you guys in the morning with coffee.
Good night, guys.
Good night. I just made some cereal. It's like Cheerios and some granola we picked up. So I'm gonna eat that, and I think we're gonna go walk the entire loop, which is pretty big. I think there's like 70 sites here. And then it's shower time. We need it. So let's have a great morning.
This is the first time in a while that we are the only truck camper at one of the state parks that we've been to. There was usually at least one, sometimes a couple in the Florida state parks, but no, nothing in Georgia here. A lot of fifth wheels, a lot of trailers, and a lot of motor coaches, so we're definitely the smallest.
As promised, I wanted to give you guys a bathroom review of this park. So they have two different bathrooms. This one I'm showing you, I recorded earlier. It is bigger. There are several stalls as well as 2 showers. It is further in the campground, so if you're further back, it's nice to have that one. It has 2 sinks, soap, and a nice hand dryer. And yeah, that's about it for this big one. And then these ones are individual stalls with showers inside of them. So I'm gonna show you guys those right now. So this one's just a bathroom, this one's a bathroom with a shower. So let's show you the shower one. So as you can see, both of these bathrooms are pretty nice, really well kept. They have running water, soap, hand dryers that are a little wimpy, but hey, they work. And then these ones that I just showed you guys have a bathroom as well as a shower inside of them. So again, if you want something a little bit more private, that is the way to go, which is kind of nice having both options. I would probably give both of these bathrooms a 9 out of 10. Very clean, they have what you need. They're just really loud. I don't know if you could tell in the last video, but there's a humidifier or just air running to keep them clean and less smelly. It's just really, really loud. They could probably just turn it down a little bit, maybe. I don't know. That's just me getting picky, I guess you could say. But 9 out of 10. Let me know in the comments below if you guys agree or if you would give them something different. Ready to go shower?
Very ready to go shower.
What about you, doggy? Just kidding.
Well guys, before we go shower and get all cleaned up, we wanted to go ahead and close out the video and say thank you for watching as we explored Savannah, Georgia and Skidaway Island State Park.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed coming along and checking out Savannah with us for our first time. We absolutely loved it. It was gorgeous and almost was better than we were expecting.
It was definitely better than I was expecting. I knew nothing about it going in, and so if you liked seeing more of the town in this type of video, let us know in the comments so we can either do more of that or less in the future.
We are moving again today, and we are hitting a new state, which is South Carolina. We will be staying there for 2 nights, and we are so excited for a little bit cooler weather.
Again, thank you so much for watching. If you're still here at the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you can see all of our content that we post. We move pretty fast, we hit a lot of states, and if you have any spots that you'd like us to see, leave those down in the comments so we can put them on the list for the next time we visit that area.
Like he said, as always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Hope you have a large day.
Bye, guys.